How to replace shift knob on 2006-2011 Honda Civic. Go ahead and press down to remove the cover. Sorry, mine is broken already. That's why I'm replacing. These are the side views with the screws. This is the step 2. Go ahead and unscrew both sides. Now let's take the head off. Clean it again after the head is off. Now let's get the cover back in place. Follow. Go ahead and place it well. Now let's fix the new head. Follow. Make sure to align head well with the cover so it doesn't give you trouble. Now let's go back to screwing both sides again. Let's get the cover back up. Make sure to follow the instructions. Hold and push from down to up till you hear the lock sound. And that's it. You're good to go.